Hey guys, here's another one from May the 24th. I knew we had some rainy days ahead, so I tried to get a few boats that day. Steph and Colby with Marquette here, pushing a light load through Russell, Kentucky. Good looking boat overall. This is my favorite time of day to shoot these. The sun's going down, it gives you a nice backdrop without blowing out all the whites in the boat so bad. The Ohio River's been pretty calm lately, but we've had lots of rain. That will probably get it all stirred up again. I think next week is a stretch of nice weather. Should actually start feeling like summer. Speaking of summer, how are the cicadas in your area? Surprisingly, they're not too bad here, but some of the surrounding cities, they're deafening. Hey, I've been checking out the channel's analytics, and I've noticed a couple trends. Many of you awesome returning viewers haven't hit the subscribe button yet. We're pushing to 1,000 subscribers, so let's make it happen. If you're enjoying the content, smash that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, I've seen that most of the viewers stick around for only about 30 to 90 seconds, roughly 30% of the video. Is it my editing style, or we all just hooked on the short form content these days? Drop a comment with any tips to keep you watching longer. Love your feedback. Thanks for you regular viewers, you know who you are. I appreciate the comments and input from you guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks.